I'm not living a normal life. I'm living a life less ordinary. After summer, I'll be working more on plant-based universities campaign. Bureaucracy is really fucking us over. Oh, I hear that. Someone needs to make a carnivore deterioration. There is one. It's called carnivore is cancer. Carnism is cancer. That's like a carnivore deterioration. It's great. I love it. Carnism is cancer is brilliant. And at the end of every episode, she goes, "Carnism is cancer." I think it's fantastic. I think it's. I laugh a lot on it. They did make a carnivore deterioration. Yeah, carnism is cancer is funny. Howdy, y'all. Yeehaw. Hello, Messianic. I'm in Arkansas. I think I'm in the Ozarks. Someone said I'm in the Ozarks, so I'm gonna take their word for it. Even though Siri doesn't know where I am. Siri, am I in the Ozarks right now? Oh shit, look at this. Live transport. Chickens, look at chickens. Chickens. Look at that shit. How is this okay? What the hell? How is that okay? From Tyson. Fucking monsters. Fucking monsters. Fucking monsters. Look at that shit. Fucking criminal. Fucking piece of shit. God, that fuck makes me so angry, man. There's nothing you can do. You know, there's nothing you can do. There's pieces of shit. They do that. All these people who are complicit. All these people, your family, your friends. These pieces of shit. The people that they want us to be nice to. They do that. They're the ones who support and are complicit in that crime. Fucking horrific. I should follow them. Get off the highway with when they stop for gas. Follow them to the gas chambers. Think how scared they are, you know? Think how scared those chickens are. All those assholes waiting in line at Chick-fil-A. Is there an NPC? I can't be nice anymore either, Sensi. I can't be nice to these assholes. Popeye's wings, like there's advertisements along the highway for exactly that, but they don't show that on the ads, do they? Fucking garbage people. Just the worst types of humans, you know? Animal eaters. I know it's not all about eating. I know it's not all about that. It's about so much more, but it's like the people who eat animals are the worst types of people. Maybe people who test on animals might be worse, but the people who test on animals actually believe that they're saving lives. They think that they're going to save humanity if they could just test on one more monkey. Just like these people with lab-grown meat, they think that, oh, if I just kill one more animal, if I just kill one more, I can stop killing all the animals. Slim chickens. These fucking ads for dead animals. You think I should make a short out of that, passing the truck? Yeah, maybe I should. download this video and put it